Hello guys, welcome back to Enough Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you, or we are going to discuss with you, how to fix ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 18 not turning on. So, you might be getting some issues here with your, in this case, ASUS ROG Strix, and it's not turning on. There are a few things that you may want to consider here. Now, first things first is you may want to consider that your laptop may have, or in this case, the battery for it is just drained. So to be speaking, if that's the case, you just need to plug it in and just wait for a few minutes here until it's actually at least have a minimum amount of charge here. Because again, if your laptop here is fully drained, it will not totally turn on if it does not have any or does not have enough power to power it up. So yeah, wait for a few minutes here, let it charge, and see if that actually helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may want to press and hold the power button. Now, while pressing and holding the power button, you may want to unplug any power source or any USB or anything that is connected to your laptop here just to rule this out. So you want to press and hold the power button for about a few seconds, like maybe 15 seconds. And once you've pressed and hold the power button for 15 seconds, go ahead and press it one time and see if it actually turns on. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing that, or a variant of the thing that you could do here is you may want to go ahead and remove the battery off your laptop. And again, press and hold the power button while it's turned off. Now, in this case, again, a few seconds and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually work, the last thing that you could try doing here is you want to press a combination of keys. So you want to look for the Windows key, the Control key, the Shift key, and the B key. Now you want to press and hold this 4 buttons together for about a few seconds, and once the time is up, you're going to let it go and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually work, there might be some internal problems or hardware problems with your laptop, so it's best to contact ASUS here to get further assistance. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Enough Inspo. Thank you for watching.